Now let's understand what is evaluations in Tinydoc. Workflow evaluations allows you to test your document processing workflows against some known good reference data. By uploading golden files, that is sample PDFs, and their expected extraction result, a sample CSV or Excel file, you can measure how accurately your workflow extracts data and identify areas for improvement. This is essential for quality assurance, especially when building workflows for production use or after making changes to node configuration or prompts or workflow structure. This is very important. So let's go to evaluations. Here you will see all the evaluations that you have created. If you want to create a new evaluation, click on create new evaluation or select a new workflow you want to create evaluation of. Or what you can do is you can directly click on this evaluate option. You would not have any evaluation created. If you don't have, then create one. By clicking on this, it will automatically select the workflow that you have chose and then give name to it like AI extractor evaluator and primary column name. The primary column name is something for which you want to evaluate the golden files for. So uh, in our Excel sheet, if you see the ground truth files, you would need the data like this. If I go here, this is my flow evaluation files. If you see, I have this ground truth files. These are my files that I will use as a reference, and its exactly correct output is inside this ground truth file. If you see here, all the data is in here. File name is our primary column name by which we will be extracting the files and we'll check against the data that we will get. Okay, so this is our ground truth file. So my primary column name is file name. I'll select the golden files from here. I'll go back in my files, then I'll go to file evaluations and I'll select all the files here, open and upload them. Once my golden files are uploaded, I will upload my ground truth file. Select here, we have this ground truth file. If you see here, the file name is the primary column name, and then we have the other items here. Okay, let's see how it works. Then open it and upload selected files. So what we have done, we have uploaded our golden files, we have uploaded our sample file, and let's save this workflow evaluation. Now our evaluation is created. Now let's see with our own files how this our AI extractor flow works. So let's click here and let's evaluate a workflow. Great. Now our flow evaluation result is here. It is showing that we have 91% accuracy. If I get the actual output, and let me show you the actual output here. Okay, the container number is 5555 here, but if you see in our ground truth file, it is 5656. So AI has inaccurately uh, assumed that it is 55. Instead, it should have been 56. So here, because of that, the our flow evaluation checked. Okay, this is where the accuracy is decreased. So you can see 91% accuracy. You can also download the analysis report here, which will tell you how that accuracy came from. So this is the accuracy here. And if you check uh, in our incorrect column, this is what the data is. The accuracy column wise and overall there is 91% accuracy. In container number and suborder we have the lesser accuracy. Okay, so this is how evaluation works. It tests your workflow accuracy by comparing extracted result against the golden reference data sets. And you can also track the evaluation results over time to measure workflow improvements and regressions. Thank you so much.